Hello, hello. Let's pick a card today. Affirmation. There is a pleasure in the pathless woods. Spend time thinking about a part of your life that has yet to be planned out. Remind yourself that to have an adventure ahead is a gift, and your life is full of possibility. All right, which envelope has our quotes today? Let's do this one. I don't want to go back to how it used to be. I want to go forward to how it should be. And then I realized that I can choose to be excited over my future rather than torn up over my past. The road to success is dotted with many tempting parking spaces. Isn't that the truth? Happiness is just sadness that hasn't happened yet. Be with people who match your energy. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.